Safer's Insecticidal Soap. One sec, let's see if I can hold it. Let's see if this works. 2 times. Nice. Okay, here we go. Just a little bit. And we'll get these baby ones too. Those must be egg sacs, because they're very tiny. I put a lot on them. Okay, let's watch these guys. Don't seem to be reacting at all. It might take a minute, because like on this one, they're almost like all gone compared to how they were before, unless they're hiding in, yep. Okay, so maybe that's what happens, is that they go and hide up near the stem. That's at least what it seems like they did. Okay, let's... Oh, this is hurting my back. Oh, that one's moving. Oh, they're friggin' gross looking things. Let's see if I can get it zoomed in more. Apparently I don't know how to use a magnifying glass. Okay, these ones are drenched. Oh wow, they're all like gone pretty much. Where are they? Oh no, they're just so small that... Oh wait. That one. Looks like it ran to the tip. I'll have to rewind the video to see where they were before, but... Can we just not see them because they're so tiny and the liquid, like, makes them transparent, or... I don't know, I'm really hoping this works, because the thrips this year, or the aphids, sorry, I keep calling them that, are insane. So I'm really hoping it works. I don't know how long I'm supposed to use it for. I mean, this bottle, it says for 2 to 3 weeks. That seems insane. And I won't have enough time to stop before flower if I do that, so... I hope it works. Let's see. This is where the instructions are. I don't know why they do this. English. Okay, so it's for mealy bugs, whatever those are. Spider mites, whiteflies, soft brown scale, psyllids, rose or pear slugs. Oh, at the top, aphids. Larvae, softfly larvae, earwigs, roses, flowers, vegetables, fruits, blah 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 blah, trees. Oh, I was supposed to shake it first. I completely forgot about that. Spray when the insects are first sighted on bud shoots? What? First sighted on buds, shoots, stems, and undersides of leaves. Apply weekly for 2 to 3 weeks. Oh, wait, so that's just once a week then? Well, that's good, because I was thinking I had to spray it every day for 2 weeks. I was like, that's expensive. But yeah, I don't know. I couldn't find any proper videos of this working in real time, so I figured I'd make one, even if it's pretty shitty. So hopefully this helps some people. I mean, there's not... It doesn't seem to be doing too much. But I'll do an update video later on and show you like how it's going with my plant. And hope it helps somebody. Because this was really cheap spray compared to the other stuff. I got it on Amazon. I'm in Canada though, so Don't know if that makes a difference, but I think it was like $4. Now, it's not like they're running away right away. It seems like they're grouping up under the stem, though. Maybe not on this one. Ah, they're brutal things. Oh, okay. There's still quite a bit on this. So maybe it's not supposed to scare them away. Maybe it's just supposed to kill them. Because I know the soap is supposed to dry out their bodies, like the shells, because they're soft-bodied. And then they're supposed to, like, dry out and die that way, I think. But, oh, is that a thrip? Or is that just a massive aphid? That's a thrip, isn't it? Those of you that know, can you please let me know in the comments? That thing looks different. Is it breeding? I don't think so, but if they're breeding and I just sprayed it with that soap, then that's not really a good sign. But one more squirt, and then the video's over. Oh, this guy's running away. Oh, he's crawling to the other side of the leaf. How come some are like orangish yellow? And then the other ones are all like this color. Wait a minute, are those ones like melted? Look, so like that's, hang on, trying to point. It's not that easy. Like this one here, the white one, like that's how they're supposed to look, right? So did the soapy water already like dissolve them? Because look at all those. It kind of looks like it. Let's check out these. Oh, sun's going down. This was a leaf with a bunch of the tiny ones. And this was the other one. There's still a group of them. I don't know if they're alive though. Hang on. How can I check? Poke them with this, I guess. Oh man. I'm pretty sure they're dead. Wow. Yeah, it looks like the spray killed them. The ones that got soaked anyways. Well, as you can see, the leaves are pretty infested. So I'm going to use this, and I will make another video later on. Yeah, thanks.